Welcome to Thought Leader Thursday. This is where we come together to break outdated business practices and to start thinking differently about how we salon. Let's transform salon business one mindset shift at a time. Join me every single Thursday to chat about small shifts you can make to transform your business by changing your mindset and by thinking differently. Thought Leader Thursday is an exclusive podcast for our GHT email list subscribers. So if you know somebody who would greatly benefit from all of the beautiful things we talk about every single Thursday, go ahead and share our link to join our email subscription list with one of your favorite like-minded business owners so they too can also benefit from the amazing business tips we give every single Thursday. Let's get started.
And welcome back. I'm Megan Hurick, the Marketing Director at Grace Hand-Tied Method, and today we're going to be talking about boosting your engagement. 5 simple tips to get social media working for you. Building an online presence is something that doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistency, effort, and strategy. Here are 5 simple tips you can implement to boost engagement and grow your account today. Tip number 1, engage with current followers. Keeping in contact with current followers or your warm market who may be familiar with you and your business is so important. We recommend setting a timer for 5 to 10 minutes a day and scrolling through your feed, liking, commenting on, and engaging with current followers. When you comment on posts, we highly recommend leaving something that's thoughtful and maybe a sentence or two that relates to the post versus something like pretty, beautiful, awesome. Pro tip, make a pop-up note in your client's file if you see them post online about an engagement, graduation, new job, or any other big news. That way you can congratulate them in person at their next appointment before they even bring it up to you. Tip number 2, engage with new accounts. How are you connecting with people in your area? We recommend setting a timer, again, for 5 to 10 minutes a day or more if possible, and looking up local hashtags, nearby locations to find clients. Look at nearby restaurants, stores, coffee shops, and malls where your target market would likely go. From there, you can like, comment, and follow these people. This is a great way to get in front of locals. Tip number 3, keep creating reels. We know. Many find Reels to be a huge headache, but video content is gold. Whenever you post a Reel, just be sure to post it to your Instagram feed as well. There is a button that you can toggle on and off before you post the Reel and make sure that's toggled on. If you find Reels intimidating, we recommend keeping it simple and starting small. Another fun way is to batch create Reels. Host a content creation day with your team or fellow studio stylists and spend 1 to 2 hours on a Sunday or Monday batch creating Reels. You'll walk away with a ton of content and will have so much fun. Tip number 4, make live videos a habit. As we just said, video content is gold. Make it a habit of consistently showing up in live videos online. This will help show your followers who you are and give you some more credibility by putting a face in front of your account. If you're wondering what to do a live video on, poll your audience. Post a story with topic ideas and let your audience vote. This is also a really great way to create content that your audience wants to see. And tip number 5, stay connected off of social media. What would happen to your business if your Instagram account got hacked and deleted? It's a scary thought, but it totally could happen. That's why we recommend staying connected off of social media, like growing your email list. This ensures you have another contact point with your audience if something happens to your social media accounts. It's important to stay consistent and to continue to create content that your audience will value. We challenge you today to commit to one of our suggestions. When you put it to use, tag us on Instagram and we will send you a social media freebie. Thanks so much for listening, and we look forward to seeing you next week.